Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarita. I am working in a MNC company as a custom software engineering specialist. I am having 9 plus years of experience in this field. So on this channel, I'll share coding tutorials, project walkthroughs, and career tips to help you grow as a. Let me introduce about reactjs. React is a JavaScript library for building user interface. React is used to build single page applications. React allows us to create reusable UI components. Next, these are the topics which I am introduced in this series. I'll add more topics on this upcoming video. First topic is hooks. So React hooks are introduced in 16.8. Current React version is 19.1.1. React hooks allow function components to have access to state and other React features. Because of this, class components are generally no longer needed, but that doesn't mean class components will not use. We are using class components as well. So hooks allows us to hook into React features such as the state and lifecycle methods. These are lot of there are lot of hooks like use state, use context, use reducer, and use ref. So which we'll use further in ongoing examples. Okay, so we'll understand hook with one example. Here is an example demonstrating the use of the useState React hook. So in the first line, you will see like a React is importing the React class and useState function. So in where we are declaring the variable state variable and count, right? So what it will do, like we used to use state. So what is mean by use state? So this hook allows functional components to manage state. It returns an array containing the current state value, count, and a function to update that state, set count. So whenever the button clicked, right, so React re-render the component with the updated count value. So I like elaborated all the things in the next slide. uh, you will read that. Okay, so this is the one example of hook. So yeah, in this video we just add I just added one hook example. So we'll explore more examples of hooks in the upcoming videos. So that's it. Bye bye, have a great day.